Hi guys, my name is Lucky Charms, and today we are going to be doing my makeup collection. Well, it's like a palette. And you know I use drugstore foundation. Like, you can go in any of my makeup videos, see what I use. It hasn't changed yet. Let you guys know when it does. But if you guys want to see all my palettes, then keep on watching. Yeah, these are eyeshadow palettes, these are contour palettes, these are blush palettes, these are any palette. So I'm going to start with this one just because it's the Lucky Charms one. I really like this honorable mention right now. Really pretty, really nice and blendable. That's my newest one. Okay, it's going to be snowing the rest of the video, guys. I'm really sorry. Like, you can tell I really like the white. It's a really nice white. That's a really nice palette. Then we'll go through my, this is kind of the collection. So I don't have the Just a Girl palette. So I have this one. These are the Trixie ones. I have this one. And I have this one. And I have yet to get the Just a Girl palette because I want Katana to get it because she's more of like a nude legend, you know? But I'm more of like very colorful. Very hot. I love that one. This one's my favorite. I love purple blush. I think it looks really good on anyone.
That's on period.
Now there's the Shein one. I like her because I tried her. She's not the best, but she also gives you like a good amount. I also did a video reviewing this little guy. You guys can click somewhere up there to watch. It was really fun. This is probably the oldest one.
You are very old and you need to play your age.
So this is the first palette I ever bought with my own money. It is Destroyed, Disgusting, and Dismantled, and I'm sorry, Too-Faced. Actually, I'm not. You guys kind of suck. And this one, I got it for the yellow, the Pac-Man collection. Also, I really like Pac-Man. Oop, Destroyed. I also love the lip glosses from it. This is the Misunderstood palette from Colourpop. It's a villain palette. It's just really cool. I've also hit pan on that white. Can you tell I like white eyeshadow?
Yes.
This is the Makeup Revolution Cannabis palette. I haven't reviewed this guy yet, but I really want to. Like, should have done that for like 420. I suck. It has some really nice glitters. Oh, that's cursed. I really want to do a look for you guys with this, so stay tuned for that, and I'll show you guys how I use this. Because the glitters are really buttery, as you can see. They're like, not like normal glitters, but they're like the glitter that kind of picks up with you, and then you can like smear it. It's very buttery. And it's with Cannabis Sativa. There's lots of good creams. She's a very Lucky Charms palette. And then I have this one that my mom's friend gave me. It's Eloise. The Queen palette. It's really pretty. It's just really gorge. See, I like a big palette like this with a lot of color options. Because it has browns. I can do a brown eye with those. Good for taking to shows. I can do a pink eye with those. I can do a blue and purple eye, and I can do like a reddish eye, so it's very, I like a palette with versatility. I also bought this because I'm super into The Mandalorian. Also, I'm sorry guys, I freaking broke it. I haven't cleaned it up. Really cute, so cute. Really nice colors, really nice to blend. Colourpop is really good because she's an unproblematic queen, as I know of, so let me know in the comments why I'm wrong. And then next is the Colourpop Barbie Malibu. This is the Barbie Malibu palette. Really pretty. You can do some really nice like pink orange sunset eyes. You can do some nice blue eyes. There's some nice sparkles you could just wear on your lid out of drag. Like, these two are really nice and natural, and I feel like that guy would be really nice with like a smoky eye. So there's like a couple different things you can do with that guy. Also, this is an honorable mention because it's really cheap and it's from Amazon. So yeah, she's just a contour palette if you're a girl on a budget. And then this is the Bretman Rock collection. I don't support Bretman Rock anymore because he supported James Charles after that craziness, but it's a really nice palette. It's also versatile. You can do like blue, green, pink, red, purple. So definitely got some choices in there. And there's also some nice glitters that you could just pop on the lid, and like that would make a really cool eye look. Or you could pop that in the inner corner. That guy on the lid, since it's like kind of shifting, in that one, since it kind of like shifts with the light, it would be very cool to just put that right on the lid. Anyways, that was my complete makeup palette collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next time. Bye.